Foods that make you fat. Listen, there are a ton of people out there with great looking physiques that have differing diets, vegan, carnivore, etc. But I think there are some similarities as well that we can all learn from. Yes, things like excess carbs and sugar and white flour can make us gain weight, but there are other culprits as well that you may not know of. I would not recommend is diet sodas. Guys, there just isn't many shredded and healthy individuals who slam down diet soda all day, so I would not drink diet soda. Industrial seed oils is another food that makes you fat. I believe saturated animal fats are so much better for you than polyunsaturated vegetable oils because the pro-inflammatory omega-6s and linoleic acids, those lead to mitochondrial dysfunction. Guys, they impair the energy producers in your cells. So instead, butter, lard, things like coconut oil or olive oil are really a dieter's best friend. I would also avoid low-salt food. Do not fear salt. Salt is so good for normal physiology. It's essential for proper hydration, so do not fear salt. Last but not least, I would throw low-fat dairy on this list. I think unadulterated full-fat dairy is a nutrient powerhouse. My family consumes raw farms dairy, and it is fantastic. And interestingly, raw dairy contains lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose. But when dairy is processed and pasteurized, all these great enzymes that are great for your health are destroyed. And I think when you look at the research, high-fat dairy consumption is actually associated with lower risks of obesity. Guys, if you like these tips, please follow my page for more health info.